Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove Face ID on your iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Settings app and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode to access the Face ID settings. Next, tap Reset Face ID. If you receive a message saying Face ID can't be reset because stolen device protection is enabled, you'll need to turn that feature off first. To do that, go to Stolen Device Protection and disable it. Depending on your security settings, your iPhone may require a 1-hour security delay before the feature is fully turned off. Once the delay ends, you'll receive a notification indicating that the security delay has finished. After the waiting period, return to Settings, Face ID and passcode, and then tap Reset Face ID. Your saved Face ID data will be removed from the device. So that's basically how you can remove Face ID on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!